Hi guys, this is Muskan. I am a legal intern at Lex Click and Company. So today's topic of discussion is dowry system. So first question comes into your mind is what is dowry system? So I will explain you what is dowry system, what is the background of dowry system, why it should be stopped, on the basis of which reasons dowry system should be stopped. So let's proceed with our topic. Dowry system is followed in India since a very long time. Our ancestors started this system for valid reasons, but now it is leading to issues and problems in society. In this essay on dowry, we will see what dowry exactly is, how it started, and why it should be stopped now. Now, history of dowry. Dowry system started even before the British period. In those days, society does not used to consider dowry as a money or free. You have to pay to the bride's parents. The idea behind the dowry system was to make sure the bride will be financially stable after getting married. The intentions were very clear. Bride's parents used to give money, land, assets to the bride as a gift to make sure their daughter will be happy and independent after marriage. But when the British rule came into the picture, they restricted women to own any property. Women were not allowed to buy any property and or assets. Hence, men started owning all the gifts given to bride by her parents. This rule changed pure dowry system into a mess. Now, parents of the brides were looking at their bride as a source of income. Parents started hating their daughters and wanted only sons. They started demanding money as a dowry. Women were suppressed since they did not have equal rights as men. And since then, groom's parents follow this rule to their advantage. So, why the dowry system should be stopped? The new dowry system is creating problems in society. Poor parents do not get any groom who will marry their daughter without taking dowry. They have to take marriage loans to get their daughter married. Dowry has become a nightmare for women. The cases of infanticides are increasing. Poor parents do not have any other option. They cannot afford to have a girl child, and hence they are intentionally killing infant girl. More than 8,000 women were killed because of dowry. It is very clear that dowry is creating violence. Groom's parents are misusing this pure tradition, and they are not aware that they were misusing it because they are not educated about the traditional dowry system. Everyone is just following the new dowry system blindly. Dowry is complete injustice with women and does not give women equal status in society. Because of dowry, men will always be superior to women. This is creating a mess and negative environment in society. Under the Dowry Prohibition Act, taking or giving dowry is a crime and illegal. If you see someone taking or giving dowry, then you can lodge a complaint against them. So after discussing the dowry system, what is the background of dowry system and why it should be banned in India. So let's conclude our topic with conclusion. So dowry system is good unless and until it is considered as a gift given to bride by her parents. If the groom's parents are demanding money to get married as a dowry, then that is completely wrong and illegal. uh, if you see someone taking or giving dowry, then you can lodge a complaint against them. So that's all. So if you like my video, please like if you like my video please like, comment and subscribe the YouTube channel of Lexis and Company. Thank you.